This video is going to demonstrate how to take the simulation exam using the simulation training as a resource. So referring back to our course schedule again, looking at Module 2, we find in addition to the end of chapter quiz, we now start with simulation training and simulation exams. So put this down. In the same way we did last time, we're going to open up 2 instances of Blackboard. Click My IT Lab in each instance. So here's the second instance, and we'll go to Course Materials in both places. This time, we'll click on Module 2, and I'll do that in both instances. And we'll see in Module 2, there's a simulation training and a simulation exam. So in this instance, I'm going to click the simulation training, and in this instance, I'm going to click the simulation exam. I'll size them so I can view them both. And I won't get them mixed up because the title bar says training in one and the title bar says exam in the other. So the first thing I'd like to show you that you can view all the questions. So I'm going to view all in the training, and then I'm going to go back to the exam, and I'm going to view all. And you'll see that they're the same questions. Question 1, create a new document. Question 2, inserting text. Question 3, formatting text. 4 is inserting pictures. We're going to demonstrate with question 5. Wrapping text around a picture, because that's something not everybody might know immediately. So I'm going to click on question 5 and launch in the training, and likewise in the exam I'm going to click on question 5 and launch. Now you'll notice it's not the same picture. They're not going to be exactly the same, but the steps are going to be the same. I'm going to expand the training a little bit and demonstrate. The instruction says, with the picture selected, click Layout Options and then click Square, which I may or may not know how to do. So if I don't know immediately how to do it, I'll go to the learning aids. There's 3 different types. You can explore them yourself. I happen to like Practice, so I'm going to click Practice.
With the picture selected, to the right of the picture, click the Layout Options button. Under With Text Wrapping, click Square.
Well, he's going to stay there till I do it. So I'm going to click what he's showing me to click, which is the Layout Options button. And now he's saying, under With Text Wrapping, click Square. And I know this is square, because when I hover over it, it says square. Okay. So now that the practice is complete, I need to do it again, still in the training, do it myself without him showing me. So with the picture selected, and I know it's selected because I see the little circles all over, click Layout Options, and then under Text Wrapping, hover over this, click Square. And I know that everything's complete because it advances to the next question. Here's activity 6. So with that fresh in my mind, I'm going to move the training aside. I'm going to go back over to the exam. If I want, maybe I'll make the exam a little bigger. And it's the same, but this with less detail. It says change the wrapping style of the picture to tight. So I know that it has to be selected first, and it shows that it already is selected. So I'm going to click the Layout Options, and I'm going to go to Text Wrapping, hover. So we don't want square, this time it wants tight. So when I hover here, it says tight. I click tight, and that question is complete, and it moves on to the next question. So that's a resource that I would recommend for helping to do the exam.